Welcome back to Half Dozen Customs. This is my humble abode. Doggy. Today we're going to be putting together a plotter. So I got this a while back ago for Christmas, and it's time to put it together and see what we got. So here's the process of putting together a plotter. Looks like fairly simple instructions. Same thing on both sides. Alright, let's do this. So, looks like it came with a video, a how-to video. DVD, got an operation manual, and then they also gave you a USB drive that has both of these on the USB drive. So we'll see how that stuff works out. Okay, so that's it. That is the plotter put together. The instructions were pretty basic, but kind of once you got the ball rolling, it was pretty self-explanatory putting it together. Didn't take very long, maybe half hour, 40 minutes it took me to put together. I've always wanted one of these plotters, mainly for all the artistic paint work that I do. I can make stencils for whatever it is that I want to put on vehicles or motorcycles or whatnot. For years I've always just made them by hand. I've laid tape out, drawn out what I wanted, cut it with the razor blade, and painted that way. And it's always worked out, and it's fine. You can't tell that I ever did it that way. but this is more professional, and it makes what I can do so much more advanced. You know, there's stuff that I can't draw or even think of drawing, and this will just print it out for me on a stencil. Then after I'm done painting, I just peel off the stencil, and voila, my paint is there. I can also make vinyl decals for car windows. We also got a shirt press for it as well, so I can do shirts and do coffee mugs, hats, dinner plates. It has a whole bunch of different options for it, and we got them all when we got this. I actually got this for Christmas last year, and it's taken me a year to finally get to it. We had a car that we were working on here that kept me pretty busy, and I'm just now getting to it. So the wife's looking at the programming right now. I still got to order vinyl and all that stuff before I actually get to use it and see how it works. That'll be a video for another day. So thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Oops.